Hi, I'm Julie Stevens, and I would like to share my poem Noise Collector, which appears in issue 12 of Paper Lanterns. I was trying to write one day and there was so much noise outside it was hard to keep focusing on what I was thinking of. With the cars going by, there was a big lorry, there was a dog barking, and I just thought, if I could only get rid of all this noise, then I'd be able to write better. That's where my poem came from. Noise Collector. There is always a cry when cars groan by, a storm of words that seize the air. From every upset, a deafening roar, a surge of pain, or a pile of crushed lives. Carry them to me. On a busy street, there are empty cans that stalk the ground with chaotic clangs. A hanging sign that thumps the post. Abandoned papers that won't stop flapping. Carry them to me. I'll hold these sounds inside my hands, teach them to listen and lie them still. They won't jar thoughts or turn them sour, will rest with me here under subdued hours. I can make silence. Thanks for listening.